Hi there. My name is Rachel Noto, and I am the Assistant Director for Field Experience and Employer Engagement within the SBS Pathway Center. And I'm joining you today just to share a little bit more about how to make the most out of your Handshake profile. So let's dive right in here, and I'm going to share my screen. So when we talk about Handshake profiles, most of you probably already have these established, and you can log into Handshake utilizing your UMass Net ID and password. Once you're inside Handshake, what you'll want to do here is click on your name, and then you will go down to career interests, which I have highlighted right here. So once you click on my career interests, you'll be able to navigate this page and select what specifically you're looking for. So are you looking for a full-time job, an internship, part-time job, or maybe an on-campus job? You can indicate that here by selecting the relevant boxes as they apply to you. You can also select here, again, what you're looking for. Let's say you're looking for a summer internship. After graduation, maybe you want to pursue graduate school or working. You could select the graduate programs that may be of interest to you. And specifically, Handshake is really interested in hearing more about where you may want to work in the future. So what job roles are you interested in, and where might you be interested in living? And then here you can actually scroll down and see all the variety of industries of interest. And by selecting these boxes, that's going to help recruiters find you on Handshake. So I believe the statistic is about 80% of students that actually complete their career interests, which is indicating their specific interest on this page. 80% of those students that perform this activity, they do receive a message from a recruiter. So that definitely increases your chances of hearing from someone by just selecting out your preferences and completing them here. So just scrolling down here, putting your graduation date, and then you want to click Save My Career Interests on the bottom right. So in addition to career interests, another tip for completing your Handshake profile is to make sure that you have an up-to-date resume. So you would click the blue button here where it says upload a resume, and you can always have your resume reviewed by either an SBS career team staff member or perhaps an SBS peer advisor. So you can have that reviewed before you upload it, just so this is your resume that's being seen by recruiters. You want to make sure you're putting your best resume forward. And here, as you notice, I have my name, where I'm going to school, my areas of study, my class year, and when I'm expected to graduate, but I didn't include a photo yet. So you'll want to make sure that you do that as well, so recruiters could easily identify you. You can also fill out all of these relevant sections here, such as your journey, which explains kind of what your career passions are, maybe what your values and interests are for the working world. And as you scroll down here, you can see my profile right now is only 15% complete. So my goal by the end of this conversation is to have it be 100%. So this way, more recruiters can actively find me on Handshake, and I will see more opportunities that are of interest to me. So again, as you navigate this page and you scroll down, you can include your work and volunteer experience, maybe some organizations or extracurricular activities that you're involved in. Perhaps there's some relevant courses that you want to highlight to a potential employer as you're learning new concepts in each class every semester. And maybe there's a project that really stuck out to you that you wanted to highlight to an employer as well. So this is a great opportunity for you to really showcase your best self through Handshake. And also by completing your profile here. If we do continue forward with having virtual career fairs on Handshake, recruiters will be actively messaging you and finding you through the Handshake platform. So for that reason, you want to make sure that your profile is up to date at your earliest convenience. And now that I'm on the topic of career fairs, so we actually have a career blast coming up. So that is the large university-wide career fair that takes place during the spring semester. So it is actually on February 23rd. So that's a Wednesday next semester. So I encourage you to mark your calendars. Although we do not specifically know if it is all virtual or in person yet, that is subject to change. So we will be able to let you know how we are moving forward. But Career Blast is the largest career fair on campus with over 300 different organizations usually that are in attendance. So you want to make sure that you have your Handshake profile, your resume, and all those relevant application materials ready to go as you prepare to talk to employers. And the last thing I wanted to share with you all today is there is a program called SBS Shadows, and this program takes place during winter break. And if you go to the events tab on your Handshake profile and you type in SBS Shadows, you can see all of the upcoming workshops that are coming up. So the first one is actually taking place this Friday, November 5th. So you'll want to check that out. And in summary, what this program is, it is a one-day opportunity for you to potentially shadow a UMass alum over winter break. So maybe you're considering pursuing a career in a specific industry of interest, and you are matched with a UMass alum, and you can shadow and kind of learn a little bit about, what their day-to-day looks like in that specific job. And from there, you can continue having those career conversations. So this is an excellent mentor opportunity and a great way for you to kind of, just get involved in your areas of interest and see maybe if it's something you want to pursue for a career moving forward. So I'm going to stop share for now. And if anyone does have any questions, you may email me at rnoto@umass.edu. And I'm happy to help answer your questions, or feel free again to contact anyone on the SBS Pathways career team or the SBS Pathways peer advisors. Thank you all so much, and I hope you have a great rest of your semester.